Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to switch to US mobile while keeping your number. First thing you need to do is go to the US mobile website and purchase a plan for the line you want to use. After purchasing, go to My Lines in your US mobile account. On the new plan tile, click Activate My Line. Pick your preferred US mobile network like RAP 5G for Verizon or GSM for T-Mobile, Dark Star Lightspeed, or the labels match to Verizon or T-Mobile based on your SIM, then click Continue. Now select whether you're using an eSIM or a physical SIM card, then click Continue. Select Transfer My Phone Number and then click Continue to start the porting process. Now enter the phone number you want to bring over, choose your current carrier from the drop-down list, and if not listed, select Other and type it manually. Enter account number, password or PIN, then click Continue, and once submitted, your line will show porting request pending status. Just click More Details to see real-time status updates of the transfer. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.